Hello, everyone. Today, I would like to discuss with you about why the corrupt officials colluded the someone of Kazatomprom Bank, Thailand, to close my Kazatomprom bank card. I suspected there is a 99% chance that they want me leaving from the Nepal and going to Kazatomprom Bank in Thailand to unfreeze my bank account. Then they can depart to me back to China from the Thai airport. This isn't baseless speculation because I saw many Chinese people post video on Chinese TikTok, and they say the Suvarnabhumi airport depart Chinese citizens back to China very serious. One Chinese woman was taking an airport office because they suspect her passport was fake and asked her many questions for a long time and let her go. The woman said she felt like the airport looked for some Chinese woman. Once I experienced the similar arbitrary situation at Suvarnabhumi Airport in May 2022. The staff of Suvarnabhumi Airport, they took my flight ticket without reason, and I know the only reason they helped to the Naixiang the governor of Shandong province, to persecute me for money. So I have no doubt that the corruption Thai officials will depart Chinese victims who arrive Thailand or transfer Thailand back to China being murdered from the Thai airport. And I also want to tell the Thai corruption officials, I never back to Thailand or China until the governor of Shandong province, who persecuted me with arsenic poisoning, being taken down. Even the Thai corruption officials prevent me rent my accommodation in Pattaya, and even you closed my Kazatomprom bank account.